Family, what's good, everybody, man? I'd like to welcome you guys for tuning right back into the channel, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I just want to say thank you. Before we get this video started, hey, if this is your first time, like I start out all my videos, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And hey, if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers. Today, we're going to go hang out at Macys a little bit. Tommy Hilfiger. Now, when I'm doing those Ralph Lauren videos in Macys, I kind of glance over to the Tommy Hilfiger section to see what they have. What they do have is like some of like the newer things that they have, instead of like, you know, the factory outlet has stuff that's kind of been out, but it's still good stuff. So this selection today in Tommy Hilfiger, it's not like a huge selection. So if you don't see a lot of stuff, then that's why. But the stuff that they do have is really, really nice, to the point I decided to do a video on that. So y'all come along with me today. We're gonna go ahead and check out what all they have in Macys. Now, on top of that, is with Tommy Hilfiger, I think they were doing like a 30% off. Now with Macys, I think that's pretty much like all the everything in store when they do these sales. So right now they're having a sale like 30% off like everything. I don't think it's just with the Tommy Hilfiger. Maybe when I was in there last week, I seen the 30% right by the Tommy Hilfiger. But with Macys, I think that's everything off. Like I tell y'all all the time, man, Macys is like undercover lick for like nice clothes. I don't know why Macys ain't talked about like that, but that's why y'all see me doing these videos in Macys. So once again, man, come along, let's go see everything they got in there.
transfer truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ayy, came in clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Chop a can of Twister, baby girl just wanna. Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ayy, came in clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Chop a can of Twister, baby girl just wanna say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ayy.